Condom Training Camp. Alright everyone, this is Sergeant Condom, and it's time to get busy. And after that, it's time to get really busy. Lately, I've been hearing some rumors that guys aren't putting on their condoms because they don't know how to do it smartly. Can you believe that? They think it's a hustle to slip on a condom. They're gonna put their partners at risk. Those guys can go to the better stay practice for life. Is that right, Christy? To get it to you, 0.01 millimeter digital that you gotta put on a condom. I'm gonna show you how to put on one thing. Everyone ready? Let's get started! Condom Training Camp. First, get out your condoms. Of course! I have to tell you that it better be an Okamoto condom!
Okay, Okamoto!
If you got anything other than Okamoto condom, don't get out of here! And I don't want to hear anything about what you think! You're getting the shot! Everyone's got their condoms, you gotta stop it. Yo, senorita! Hey! You gotta push your condoms to the side of the wrapper. That way you don't break the condom when you open the wrapper. You gotta treat the Jake like a woman. Now yo say. Let's go. 5, 6. Nice moves, Chrissy. Even harder, Chrissy. Push it to the left, Chrissy. Wow. Go. Oh, Chrissy, that's a nice yo say, Chrissy. Chrissy, you got it, Chrissy. I could watch you yo say all night. You know, Chrissy, that's a no say. There's people watching. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Great. Go. Let's go. Condom Training Camp. Okay, next up is the Kilimanjaro. Let's go! By pressing this move, you're gonna, I'll just tear up one side of the wrapper so you don't damage the condom. You've gotta tear it right off. Now raise your focus like you were climbing all the way to the top of Mount Kilimanjaro and just tear that wrapper off. Don't think, just do it. Focus on the killing, and don't leave anything dangling. You're gonna tear that condom. And when that happens, it's gonna tear your love apart. You thought this didn't just stop. We've been rolling the whole time. Condom Training Camp. Okay. Once you've torn off the wrapper, it's time to do the mini infinity. Whoa! Now hold on there. You can't grow your nails like that. It's dangerous. Keep those nails clipped.
Alright.
You don't want to damage that condom while you pull off its wrapper. You gotta gently slip it out of its wrapper and check both sides before slipping it on. Now mill. Make sure you know its front from its back. If you're having trouble, you can always use Okamoto condoms. That shows you which side is up. Remember, Okamoto is your friend. Come on, let's go! Let's go. Okay. Good job, everyone. Good job. One last exercise to go, and this is it. Condom Training Camp. It's time to do the Sumo Oro Excalibur. Breathe slowly as you hold the tip from the front for the Sumo. And slowly and surely slide it down and down and down and down for the Oro Excalibur. Once you slide it all the way down, you can reach into your soul and pull out the mighty Excalibur. Slowly and surely slide it down, down for the auto. Excalibur! Excalibur!
Excalibur!
How training camp. You guys did great today. Give yourself a pat on the back. You know how to put on a condom like a pro. One last thing. Put it on the condom smart might be important, but it's not as important as treating your partner with love and tenderness. And remember to always brush your teeth before kissing. We're gonna end things with one last shout out. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, Oka Moto!
Condom training camp.